Welcome to Coco Kids TV.
Today we listen to sounds made by farm animals. Hi friends. I am dog. I make the sound woof woof. Hi, I am rooster. I make the sound cock-a-doodle-doo. Hi, I am frog. I make the sound ribbit ribbit. Hi, I am donkey. I make the sound hee-haw. Hi, I am sheep. I make the sound ba-ba. Hi, I am pig. I make the sound oink oink. Hi, I am rabbit. I make the sound snuffle. Hi, I am duck. I make the sound quack quack. Hi, I am cow. I make the sound moo moo. Hi, I am horse. I make the sound neigh neigh. Hi, I am cat. I make the sound meow meow.